My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker that is called Articles Simplifier. Articles Simplifier. This is an unwanted extension that attacks Google Chrome browser primarily. This particular extension is promoted through fake alerts that try to encourage people into downloading some file, some security software, but when people are forced to download that so-called software, they are actually brought to the website that promotes this extension called Articles Simplifier. In the light of this information, you should treat this extension with exceptional caution. This particular extension promises a lot of positive things for you after you install it. It says that Articles Simplifier is an extension that makes your web browsing much easier and comfortable by helping you simply read articles. But in reality, this particular extension functions as adware, and also it might function as browser hijacker in some cases. As adware, it displays numerous ads not related to the websites that you visit. Also, it may change some crucial browser settings without your permission, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and some other parameters too. So, in case you have noticed that this Articles Simplifier extension was installed into your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it as soon as you can. Access the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove any third-party extensions which you might find here. To make sure that your system is free of other hidden threats, I do recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.